Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to install Java in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Okay, let's start the video. Open browser, type here Java Oracle. Click on Java downloads. Now scroll down, select here Windows. Okay. Now select here 64 MSI installer. Click on this link for download. Download is started. Please wait while take a time. Depend upon internet speed. Now download is complete. Click on downloaded setup file. Minimize browser. Windows installer is running. Now click on next. There is the option to change location. I am not change location. Click on next. Registering product. Now installation is complete. Click on close. Now open this PC. Click on advanced system setting. Click on environmental variables. Now click on path. Click on edit. Now click on new. First copy Java location path. Okay. Now click on Windows plus R dot enter. Okay. Now click on this PC. Click on C drive. Click on program files. Now click on Java. Click on JDK24 bin. Now select path. Copy this path. Okay. Now paste path on this location. Click on new. Paste here. After this, click on OK. Click on new. Give variable name here. I am give name here Java underscore class. Now paste location here also. Now click on OK. Okay. Click on OK. Now open Java location. Press Windows plus R. Paste location here. Click on OK. Okay. Click on address bar. Type here CMD. Enter. Type here Java space double hyphen version. Hit enter. Now you see Java 24.0.1 is installed. Okay. This simple step to install Java in your PC. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.